Hey guys, this is Dumb Dumber New Garage here. So I still haven't posted at the time of this video. I still haven't posted the video of putting on the header pipe or putting on this kit. But with this kit, these two hoses are off. So I just got back from not Harbor Freight, AutoZone, and we got these parts. So I'm just gonna try to get this done real quick. So this should just. I'll pause you guys to fit that in real quick. Okay, got that in. Now it's time to put this in there. This piece in there. Because I have this done right here. All we need to do is just to put this in there. Okay, let me just. So it's all the way like flush down. Let me set you guys down on something right here. Okay, it's hard. Right there. Frames right there. Let me just loosen this a bit. So there it is. This thing, boop, 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 is now finished. Thank you guys for watching.